I don't condone reckless or dangerous riding. Alright guys, it's a warm one, Saturday afternoon. We got Adelaide Bike Night again tonight, so we're heading out to the northern meet. I'm up here in the Adelaide Hills at my old man's place. It's very hot, high 30s, quite windy. We're going to head into Mount Barker, wash the bikes, grab something to eat, refuel with coffee. Now, I just wanted to quickly note before we get into this ride, while I love capturing the energy of the bike meets, cruises and these travel rides, I just want to be clear that I don't condone reckless or dangerous riding. Now, ride within your limits, respect the road, and most importantly, make it home safe. Let's get into it. Ideal, guys. He spends hours detailing that chrome bike only to ride down a dirt road and get it all dirty again. That's what you get for living in the hills. Alright, let's get to Mount Barker, grab something to eat, wash the bikes and then get down the hill. Feels like you're riding into an oven. It's beer weather. Need a nice cold beer. Alright, grab some food. Just here at Saison's Cafe, getting a beer, fueling up. Cheers. Cheers. Slow cooked beef quesadilla. That'll get me through till dinner. Gonna meet Mo at the car wash. It's warm, it's very warm. There's a fire up in the Adelaide Hills, Strathalbyn way. Heard the CFS and MFS go past. They got the water bombers and helicopters out there. Hopefully everyone is alright and they get that out soon. Just a quick $2. High pressure soap, high pressure rinse, and a chamois. That's all I'm doing. Here's Mo. T-shirt. Dress for the ride, not the slide. Wait, I mean dress for the slide, not the ride. What is this? Psh. Fools. Nah, I was gonna wear a t-shirt. I regret wearing this. I'm hot. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's all right. He's got the jacket. All right, we're gonna go down the hill. Who are we meeting?
PD.
Pete.
PD Big
New character to the vlog. He rides a what? Sports dress.
So we've unlocked the new character.
Unlocked a new character. He sold his. What did he sell? Sold his Indian Scout bobber.
Yep.
Sold his Indian Scout bobber. Bought a Harley.
New character unlocked.
Let's finish chamoising these bikes and then get down the hill and meet Pete. and then head to the northern meet. Look at this. Overcast now. Oh well, at least that sun's away. That's not ideal. Fucking hell. Alright, wait for Pete, have a frozen Coke, no sugar, and then we'll be on our way. Here's the camera crew bringing me my drink. Here's Pete. Oh, he's fueling up. These Sportsters in their fucking small tanks, mate.
No, but play this.
Wait, it's fine. My brother's a popper, he checked it out, he goes, yeah, it's alright.
Alright, this is Pete. New character unlocked. Introduce yourself. It's a dating profile. You've got to introduce yourself. What's your name?
Pete.
And what? Come on, tell us something like to keep the ladies happy. My name's Pete, and
I learned everything off Andy.
Learn everything off my old man. Fuck, that's a problem. How are you, mate?
Oh, well, it's good. So I decided to come here.
Fucking hell.
So I came
Careful,
here.
mate, you'll polish the chrome off. Mr. Sheen. I can see myself in there. This thing's killer. This is why I need a bagger. This is what I need for my
This
camping
is why you
trip,
need
mate.
bags.
Fucking hell.
That's great.
That's one way of doing it. Yeah.
From here, we are going down Port Wakefield Road, then on to Port River Expressway, onto South Road, finishing at the Brickworks. Let's suit up, everyone get over here, and once that light goes green, we'll head off.
We'll go over there.
Yeah.
We'll ride over there. Fuck, there's a lot of bikes. Crazy. Scratch my tank. Come on, Bonnie. It's not going to buff out. Should be right.
Yeah, that's a baby.
Baby. Checked out some bikes, got some drone footage, got the drone up, no issues. Let's get some videos of some of these bikes leaving. See you later. Ride safe. That's my old bike, my old Street 500. How funny. Did you see him? Did you tell him it's my old bike?
No, we didn't. No, we didn't.
Yes. Getting dark, we might call it soon. GoPro's shit, low light. Alright, we're gonna go home. Get home and see the fam before the little one goes to bed. Alright, let's get out of here. one. See you, mate. See you at the next one.
Yeah.
Just pulled in for Mo to get some shisha. It's getting dark, so I'll end the vlog shortly, but look at this thing. Venetian blinds. Yeah, executive. Nice. Thanks, mate. Got your shisha?
Yeah.
Fucking wrapped up in tinfoil, mate. That looks like.
Yeah, a couple of foilies.
All right, we're going to ride home. These boys are going to head off one way. I'm going to go the other. All right, let's get out of here. It's still hot. Guys, another bike night over and done with. Good turnout, no accidents that I know of. I take it everyone made it home safe. If you liked this video, give it a like, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up if you made it to the end of the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, turn post notifications on so you get notified every time I drop a video. Got our budget motorbike camping videos coming up soon, so yeah, another ride over. Thanks for watching, guys.